Hi, thank you for taking this time out to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke with Veronica and just advised I was going to be sending over a custom video for your company and just providing some tips to improve or increase your traffic that comes to your website and online presence. Today we'll be talking about three different things. So we'll be going over content, citations, and backlinks. So, content is anything that can be found throughout your website. So, any words that you are using, pictures, what the pictures are saved as, video, what's behind the pictures. So, anything that is listed on the actual website. So, I do recommend at least 1,500 words. Looks like you are utilizing that. Now, the more words that you have on your website or content, then you're able to use keywords. Now, keywords are words that are used by a customer. So if they were to type into Google heating, air condition, for example, then that would actually bring them over to your website. So the more you're utilizing keywords, then the more traffic you'll have to come to your website. Now, the next we'll talk about will be citations. Citations are anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So that could be through Google. That could be on Angie's List, LinkedIn, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So it's important to have as many citations as possible so that people can find your company. Now, when I typed in HVAC in Sacramento, then this is how it appeared. Now, the first that we'll see here would be the map pack. So I do just want to say, when I did type in HVAC in West Sacramento, you did come in number one in the map pack and number one in the organic search. But when I expanded that to Sacramento, let me just show you how you came up. We just want to make sure that, or our goal would be to have you listed on the map pack in Sacramento since you do serve the greater Sacramento area. Okay, and then the next would be the organic search. And so first you'll go through here. We see that Yelp is number one and two. The next we see here is Jaguar Heating and Air. Then we have Angie's List, and then we have Big Mountain Air. So those would be your two companies. That would be your competition. So we will take a look and see how they are actually, how their website is doing as well as yours. Now I was able to find you on the second page. And let's see here. And then your number 17. So of course our goal would be to have you there on the first page. So we'll be using a website we call Ahrefs. Just goes over how your website is doing. So the first that we'll look at here, I see that you have 586 backlinks. So backlinks are links that will link back to your web or direct back over to your website. So it increases the traffic the more backlinks that you have. Now all backlinks are not the same. So a backlink coming from a restaurant, for example, or one coming from a hardware store will bring in different traffic. So it's good to have good quality backlinks. Next, I see that we're using 338 organic keywords, bringing in about 71 people per month to your website and generating about $564 in revenue based on that traffic. Now, if we go over to your keywords, just to show you, these are some of the keywords. So this is what people type into the internet, and this is how they find your website. Okay. So again, more keywords being used, then it will help you rank higher and more people will come over to your website. So the next will be Jaguar Heating and Air. So they have 456 backlinks. They're using 364 keywords, generating about 270 people coming to their website, and then roughly almost $5,000 in revenue based on the traffic that they have coming to their website. Now, these are some of the keywords that they're currently using. So my goal to help someone is always to use, look at the keywords that another company or their competitor is using, and then work in implementing these same keywords into your website and again, bring over more people over to your website. And then last, we have Big Mountain Heating and Air. So they have over 2,000 backlinks. They're using about 3,500 keywords, bringing in close to 3,000 people to their website per month, and then generating about 15,000 in revenue. And just look up their keywords. Okay, so then that'll show you how they're doing. Okay. So again, content is important to implement those keywords or include as many keywords as possible, have as many citations out on the web, and then also to have as many backlinks so that it generates more traffic to your website. So I hope you did enjoy these tips that I provided today. You're welcome to use these tips for yourself. If you would like to have a further discussion, you can reach me at 916-378-9773. Again, thank you for taking time and watching my video. I hope you have a good day.